Hello everyone, I'm Kushal and here I am today to tell you guys about my first week's STEAM project. What I did for my first week's STEAM project is a Shumpinsky triangle. First, I'm gonna explain the code and then I'm gonna go over what my project can do, and that's about it. So first what I did is that I imported turtle library, then I made a function called draw triangle, and then I said my turtle hide turtle because I wanted to hide the turtle. If it was on the picture, it wouldn't really look that good, so I hid it. Then my turtle dot fill color my turtle dot up my turtle dot go to a particular location, and then my turtle dot down, and then my turtle a begin fill, and then it goes to some random locations, and then my turtle the end fill. Then another function which returns this, and then my def Stravinsky points degree and my turtle. These are all the colors I'm using, and this is the random locations, and this is the main one, def main. You can already tell in the name of the function, def main. So this is the main function, and then now I'm going to change this number to 1. So as you see, if I change it to 1, then I'm sorry. Yeah. Then if you see, you get 2 colors. You just saw it. You just had 2 colors. And if I change it to 2, I will now have 3 colors. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You'll have 3 colors. Now, if I change it to 3, I'll have 4 colors. And then so on forever. I mean, well, not forever, probably. It's like 0 is the first number in Python. So 0 is known as number 1, and number 1 is known as number 2, and then so on. So if I didn't show you guys 0, so I'm going to show you guys 0 now. When I put in 0, you only have 1 color, which is 1. Yeah, 1 color. That's it. Something which I could do is that first I can change it to probably 3. So I changed it to 3s, and now I'm going to change this color. For example, I want my inside my triangle to be black. So I change it to be black. So it fills in black and then draws the color on top of black. And this, I think, looks really good. I chose bright colors because they look better on the screen. That's why I chose bright colors. Now I'm going to change it back to orange. Now I'm going to change this to my highest color possible, 6. Now you need to have some patience for this to be done because it really takes a long time. So it starts from there. I know you don't see it really well, but you kind of notice it, I think. See, you'll kind of notice it. It kind of takes a lot of time for it to finish. So let's wait for it to finish now. As you see right now, it's drawing them slowly. As you think, like, as you see, it looks to you that it's kind of drawing it slowly, but actually, it's drawing it really, really fast. And also, if you go on a bit more further, you might notice a slight pattern in the triangle. So I'm gonna explain what the pattern is right now. So if you see, like, did you see the triangles? They're like literally the same, and then these triangles are gonna be the same than that triangle. See that this small triangle here. You see here, that one is 3. There are 3 inside that triangle, and there are 3 inside this small triangle, and there are 3 inside this triangle, and there's 3 inside this triangle, and there'll be 3 ones of this size inside this big triangle. That's how big it is. So it's like a lot of triangles involved. So now we have 2 more sections like this to be completed, and that takes a lot of time. Or you could try to speed it up, but I think it's at the fastest speed possible. So I think it's the best to leave it alone than experimenting anything else. So that's what my project is. I'm gonna show you the final result, and then that's it. As you see, it's really taking a lot of time right now, and it requires a lot of patience to do it. Now it's going. See, I think you notice a pattern now. If you see on triangles, they look exactly the same, and it looks like a repeating pattern that goes in and out. That's how it is. If the last triangle it's done, you'll see like how awesome the whole pattern is. So I think we took about at 2 minutes for it to finish. Now it's gonna complete in around 1 more minute, probably two, because it needs to complete two more triangles like this, and that took around 30 seconds. So 1 more minute. Now this is the last one. It's gonna take around another 30 seconds. So we can wait. Oh, this one's going really fast, so it's gonna take us 20 seconds now. There's 20 more seconds. And the project now is done. This is how the final triangle of the colors I inputted looks like. And thank you for watching.